The princess who couldn't stop sneezing. Chapter number 8. When the young royal couple got back, they looked happy and thrilled. They had color on their cheeks and couldn't stop smiling. But as soon as Rosalind came into the castle, she began to sneeze again. At the beginning, they thought it had been just a coincidence. But after a sneezing fit, they had to admit that it was the same element striking back again. They weren't grown, so when she couldn't stop sneezing, they called the doctor again. The queen said that they were all to blame for going for the simple remedies of the village doctor. She couldn't understand how they trusted in her. Whatever she had given the princess hadn't been effective, and that she had never really had faith in that woman. The king didn't pay much attention to her and told her that they would summon the doctor, that she was invited if she wanted to be there. So the king, the queen, and the prince received the doctor, who didn't have to ask for permission at the castle's entrance this time to see them. And after taking a seat, she confidently said, "I've been able to prove my theory. I checked with other colleagues. It's something new, but it definitely exists. I'm afraid to tell you that the princess has royal allergy, which is not the same as real allergy. The young Rosalind is allergic to palaces, crowns, palace protocols, and royal ceremonies." "That's totally absurd," the insulted queen said. "How can anyone be allergic to something so great?" "There are people allergic to strawberries," the doctor answered, "or to the flowers, but that doesn't mean they are awful." "I still can't get it," the queen replied. "Thus, I don't think it's true." "Do you understand everything that surrounds you?" the doctors inquired. "Well, know everything, but some things I do," the queen said after a little hesitation. "Tell me something you don't understand," the doctor requested. "Well, I don't know how the television works," the queen unsteadily said. "So the television don't exist then?" the doctor serenely asked. The queen didn't have an answer for that, so she preferred to go out of the room, leaving the prince and the king to talk with the doctor, who can finally end her instructions to cure the princess. This is the end of the chapter number 8, and the activity for this week it's going to be the following. Very easy. In your notebook, you have to write an ending for the story. How do you think it is going to end, or how do you want the story to end? La actividad para esta semana es muy sencilla, únicamente en tu libreta vas a escribir un final para la historia. ¿Cómo crees que va a terminar o cómo te gustaría que terminara? Very brief and in English, please. And send me a picture. That will be it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. It was very hard to record it, but I hope you like it. See you in class. Bye bye.